Hi everyone. Today's session is about what is a API. So in this session, we are going to learn what is the API and different types of the API so that we are going to use in your software. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Basically, it's a set of rules and protocols that allows different software application to communicate and interact with each other. So API can be used for program communication, and if the communication is over the internet, then we use or call web API. So we understand this. Let's take an example of sign up page or sign in page of Anypoint platform. Next slide. Let's consider the example of API understanding. I took a sign-in page of Anypoint platform. So there will be a API call, and API takes the user information as an input. So here input will be username and password, and it will validate the user. And if the user is a valid, we get success response. And if the user is not valid, we get error response or invalid response. Similarly, a sign up page. So where we can provide the basic user information, including full name, email, phone number, company, username, and password. And clicking on account creation, there will be it will take the user information and calls the server where we can write all the information to the MuleSoft system. So that will be available in the future for verification. I guess all are understood what is the API and how we can validate the API. It will be a valid response or it will be a invalid response. The next part will be there are different type of API. So in that, we consider two APIs here. First one is a SOAP API and second one is a REST API. So what is a SOAP API? SOAP API is a user's simple object access protocol. So as previously we said, so API will have their own set of rules and protocols for a program. Communication in the client and server can exchange the message using XML, and this API have a less flexibility. So in SOAP API, it won't support other media type like JSON and all. It only support XML, and this API have less flexible. Because of the constraints, when it comes to the data format, that is API support. SOAP API will support the data exchange in the form of XML message only. It won't support another media type like JSON and array. Another type is a REST API. This is we'll understand that is the most popular and flexible way of a type of API. It will support different data format like JSON, text format, and even it will support XML also. These API will be have some HTTP methods to indicate the type of the operation, to perform the operation like create, update, delete, or insert. These operations, this HTTP method will support. Here we have many type of method in that get, post, delete, and put. Basically, HTTP method will indicate the operation that we are going to perform on this. So there will be not store the information of client. These API won't store the information of the client. Every API call will be new API call and we don't save the information of the client. And this API will indicate the resource information. For example, we are going to get lights information and there will be a URL. This one, first one. And the indicates the resource information you are act upon. Okay, second one is it will indicates the resource name and it will filter the records by using query parameter. So that we will discuss in a future. Question mark and origin equal to bank. It will filter the operation. and it's a query parameter, and get flight /123, it's a URI parameter. So flight, it will also give the specific of number of flight or specific ID of the flight information. And we also use post method. Post method, it will indicate the post operation, and similarly a delete HTTP method indicates the delete operation. So we are going to create a lot of REST API in this session. So because creating the MuleSoft, it take a couple of minutes, not much. And next one. Okay, almost we are end, and going to in a future class, I will show you how to consume SOAP API, how to consume REST API, or these all things. That's it about the API. Thank you.